Pageant Update. Kakatapos lang ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024 preliminaries. At may 7 maswerteng lucky ladies na nag-uwi ng special awards. At guys, Hakot Award Queen si Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province at Isa Manalo, clinching the 8 special awards. The Miss Smiley, the Miss Fairy Skin, the Miss Eye Color Plus, the Miss Sunrocks, Miss Hello Glow, Miss Danieleto's Kitchen, Miss Queen of Hearts Sleepwear Collection, and Miss Aqua Boracay. At guys, pumapangalawa sa kanya si Miss Iloilo Alexi May Brooks with 4 special awards. Miss Gel Life, Miss Boscofan, The Face of Avon, and Miss Sunrocks Casting Reel. Guys, ang tanong, ito na kaya ang sign para kay Atisa Manalo dahil siya ang Hakot Award Queen for the night, na siya talaga ang nararapat na magiging Miss Universe Philippines 2024 winner? Okay guys, abangan natin yan. Thanks for watching!